Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm sure you by now would have got an idea of what this video is gonna be like. I recently got my hands onto this brand new OnePlus 6. I bought it from Chroma and I'm extremely excited to share this unboxing experience with you guys. And if you guys don't know, this phone is available offline. You can buy it from your nearest Chroma stores if you don't want to wait for Amazon to deliver it to you. And for the online purchase, I'll be dropping down the link in the description box below. Do check it out. Alright guys, here we have the box. So let me quickly show you what the box looks like. So in the front you have a OnePlus 6 logo with big 6. On the top there is nothing. On the right side you see the speed you need. On the bottom you see some information about OnePlus 6. As you can see, it is priced at 34,999. On the left side you see OnePlus 6. On the back there is some more information about the phone. As you can see, it is mirror black 64 gigs variant. So now let's jump right into the box. So as you can see, we are greeted with the phone itself. So let me just quickly pop it out. It feels pretty premium. Let me keep it aside for a time being, and let's see what do we have inside the box. So here we get one more small box, and let me remove it. Okay, so as you can see, we have a back cover with some paperwork. And also we get some stickers of OnePlus logo, never settle. So this is pretty standard paperwork, you can read if you want, but for a time being I'll keep it aside. And let me alright, so we get this SIM removal tool. It's pretty good quality. Let's keep it aside. And the cover is pretty good quality, silicone cover, smoky black finish. So let us start up our phone. Alright, so it is booting up, so let me keep it aside and let's see what do we have more inside the box. Okay, so as you can see, we have this USB type C cable, and we get the power brick, dash charger power brick. Let me quickly show you the readings. It is 5 volt 4 amperes, so it is pretty quick. It charges up the phone pretty quick. It is one of the fastest charging technology. So let me quickly set up the phone. Now it is booted up, so let's set it up. Alright, you get different languages to choose from, but I'll go with this English United States. And you get to select between these two fonts. I don't know what difference do we have here, but then yeah, you can select whatever you like, but I'll go with the standard recommended one. Right, terms and conditions. Okay, so here we get the user experience program. Do read it if you want. I was reading it, that's why I had to skip it. So yeah, and then system stability program, push notifications. Okay, insert your SIM here, but I'll skip it for a time being. You can copy your data from your previous phone, but I'll set up new. So now it will ask you to set up your Wi-Fi. So let me quickly set up my Wi-Fi and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I'm done with setting up my Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, so it'll ask you to sign in, so just let me quickly put in my email ID and password. Okay, so once you've done, it will show you the welcome screen. Alright, so now it will ask you to input your face for the face unlock. So if you want, you can do it. So just let me quickly do this face unlock thingy. Okay, so once you are done adding your face, then it will again ask you to input this fingerprint. So let me quickly do that as well. You just have to tap the fingerprint multiple times, as you can see. Okay, so done, and you get more options regarding this Google services. You can select whatever you like and skip whatever you don't. So then you get the option of Google Assistant. If you want, you can use it, otherwise click on no thanks. Alright, the phone is all done, it is all set up. So now let me quickly show you the settings, what variant I have. So as you can see, the variant I'm using is with 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. Yeah, it is pretty much premium feeling. As you can see, the back is mirror black, and it's fingerprint magnet, so you will have to definitely apply a cover, or you'll have to wipe it out every time you use it. And as you can see, we have the update. Let me just check it out what it is. Oh, it is just normal bugs fixing and stuff, so it is nothing great with the update. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be uploading the full review of this phone soon, and if you like such videos, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Till then,